Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous graduation, either wreath bow or door bow or a present bow. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to fold it in half so it's long enough that if I decide to make a wreath bow versus just a regular bow, that I can also tie it onto the wreath. So I want to make sure there's a couple extra inches. So I'm going to fold this in half, lay this down into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Put my Bowdabra bow wire to the side. Then we have this fun garland, and we're just going to lay our star garland into here. And oops, just lay that there. And then we're going to take our tail, lay the tail down in here. And I love this I love this ribbon, so sparkly that you can't even tell that I was on the wrong side of the ribbon. So now we have this here. Then I'll take our twinkling ribbon, and we're just going to twist it and lay this down into the Bowdabra. Fold it back over and twist, and fold and twist, and fold and twist. So again, we want to make sure that our glittery, sparkly side is all on the outside of the loop. So we're going to twist this around here and fold and twist, and bring this back around here and twist and fold and twist, and then just fold this back over here. And let's find my wand and give everything a really good push right there. Then I'm going to take our striped ribbon, and we're going to just fold and twist again. So just fold and twist and fold and twist, and twist and fold and twist. So the reason that I'm twisting is that on the inside of my loop, I want the wrong side of my ribbon. So we're just going to fold this down in here and just bring this back over here and twist that in here. Then we're going to take our other piece of garland and lay this down in here. Whoops. And twist it and bring this around here and just bring this back over here. And again, I'm going to take my wand, give everything a really, really good scrunch. And then we'll take our beautiful dot ribbon and twist it. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Bowdabra, we have Bowdabra.com. We have a blog there where we have literally thousands of how-tos. And then we also have over 950 videos on our YouTube channel. So you'll be hard pressed to find a video not to find a video that shows you how to make whatever kind of bow you're looking to make. So we're going to twist that, scrunch that down, and then I have this little piece of garland, and we're just going to lay this down in the center and give everything a really good scrunch. And take my Bowdabra bow wire and bring this through my slip knot. So I have a loop with the two ends. I'm just going to pull everything really tight down in here and pull this out of my Bowdabra, the Bowdabra to the side, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot and double knot it. And now we're just going to shape this out. Bring apart my twinkling here and shape everything. And give everything a good little pull. So super simple. So if you're new to Bowdabra, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.